Hello, this is George Senda. I just thought I'd show you our local fire station. It's Station 14. And I'm going to quickly walk over here. There's some Christmas lights off in the distance. Just past a lady with a really cute dog. Some lights up there. White lights are always on top of the hill on top of those houses. It would scare the hell out of me if they looked like that. Hold on. I think this on the curb. Maybe. Oh. About 4 blocks from home. So. Whoa. Just ran off the road. And no, I have not been drinking anything. Okay. You hear the freight trains or Amtrak down the street about 8 blocks. They go on day and night. Sometimes I've woke up and I thought they were in my living room. They're that loud. Okay. Whew. Okay, this is the Boys and Girls Club. And they give out food to the needy during the week. I've never gotten food except like once, and then they keep forgetting what day it is. And this is the City Hall Park, and the police station is on the left, and the City Hall is on the right. And right there's the bus stop where I get off to go home all the time. Nothing up this street. Little blinking lights over there. And I'll show you this guy if I got enough time. Great decoration, but the guy and his wife live there. The guy is unfortunately a grouch. I talked to him once, he's real grouchy. And I apologize for the noise. This is kind of gravel sound. There's the City Hall Christmas tree in there, which you probably can't see, but I'm not going all the way over there. These guys the other day were all decorating their carolers. And one older blonde lady who was, she was 6 sheets to the wind. She'd had too much caroling. She had a cup of something and she kept liberally pouring something into the cup. Okay. So they have weddings here and all kinds of city functions. There's the fountain, way up top of the hill with lights, and this is lit all the time. Oddly, probably the only city I know of where homeless are not sleeping on benches. Probably because they're across from the police station. There's the tree again. This is the Catholic school, where they gave out hams and turkeys for Thanksgiving and Christmas. And this guy, I love the house. Every year the same decoration, and the Martinez beaver, which aren't there anymore. But I love the colors. That is such a cool house. Nothing on this street, nothing on that street. And I'm now 2.5 blocks from home. So, I'll tell you, we'll show them my groceries. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay warm and dry and have a happy New Year. Bye-bye for now.